Have you ever wondered why your stomach makes those funny noises? That embarrassing growl isn't just from hunger, as many people believe. It has a scientific name: borborygmi. This fascinating process happens deep inside your body. It occurs when your stomach and intestines contract. They are working hard to mix fluids and gas together. Surprisingly, this happens even when they're completely empty. Imagine your digestive system as a busy house. It's constantly doing its housekeeping duties. It cleans and prepares for the next meal. So, whether there's food there or not, your insides are always active. Next time you hear a growl, remember it's just your body working hard.